So welcome to the Agriculture channel. So today we will discuss about some important multiple choice questions which is related to citrus. So let us come to the first question. What is the scientific name of grapefruit? So it is nothing that the what you are thinking that is grape. So if we will see the grape, it is not another thing. Grapefruit is another thing. The grape this is Vitis vinifera. This is the scientific name of grapefruit. So but here in this case this is on normal grape, but grapefruit is a part of citrus. So here in this case first one is Citrus reticulata. So it is the scientific name of, if you know, it is the scientific name of mandarin. It is the scientific name mandarin. Citrus sinensis, it is the scientific name of sweet orange. Scientific name of sweet orange. Then coming to Citrus limetoides, so it is the sweet lime. It is the scientific name of sweet lime. So Citrus, this is paradisi. So Citrus paradisi is the scientific name of grapefruit. Then coming to family of citrus, as you know that the family of citrus is Rutaceae. So if we will see, the Vitis is the family of grape. So if we will see Myrtaceae, it is the family of guava. Moraceae is the family of jackfruit. Coming to third question, origin of mandarin. So as you know that mandarin is a citrus group. So most of the citrus plants are originated from China. So if we will see India, it is related to jackfruit. So the origin is India. If we will see Iran, it is the pomegranate. It is the pomegranate. And black to Caspian Sea, it is the origin of grape. Coming to seedless variety of acid lime. As you know that acid lime it is also called as Kaxi lime, and it is also, the scientific name is Citrus aurantifolia. So the seedless variety is Chakradhara. So Chakradhara is the seedless variety of which lime? Acid lime or Kaxi lime. So if we see the Satsuma, it is the seedless variety of mandarin. Somati is the seedless variety of sweet orange. So Lucknow seedless, it is the variety of normal lime. Okay. So in this case you can see, or we can say the lemon variety. Coming to high density planting. So normally the rootstock of mandarin, it is very important question. There is Troyer centrange. The rootstock is Troyer centrange. And if we will see for the high density planting, in this high density planting, the spacing will be 1.8 in 1 meter into 1.8 meter. This will be the spacing. So if we will see here Adjamir is also a rootstock. It is also a rootstock for mandarin, but it is for the resistant. It will provide a resistant for the disease, that is citrus greening disease. For this we are using Adjamir rootstock. Coming to Ranpur lime, it is the rootstock for sweet orange. It is the rootstock for sweet orange. Then coming to polyembryonic citrus group. Polyembryonic means more than one seed, more than one embryo, or we can say seed. So more than one seed will be there. So normally all the citrus group, that is whatever we have studied, that is one is mandarin, whether it is mandarin or it is sweet orange or it is Kaxi lime or acid lime, as well as the grapefruit, all are highly These are highly polyembryonic. Okay, so grapefruit is a polyembryonic. Whatever the rest are there, these are monoembryonic. Then coming to 7th number question. The bitter taste of citrus fruit. The bitter taste of citrus fruit is due to, the answer is limonene glycoside. Okay, limonene glycoside. So if we will see glucosinolate, it is a sulfur containing compound which is found in crucifery family. We can see cabbage, mustard, or we can say radish. In all these cases, you will find a sulfur containing compound, that is glucosinolate. So here our answer will be limonene glycoside. Then coming to high density planting, the spacing for mandarin. Already we have told the high density planting is 1.8 meter into 1.8 meter. So another, for papaya, the Pusa nonna. Pusa nonna is the variety which is used for high density planting, and the spacing will be here 1.25 into 1.25 meter. So this is the spacing for papaya, and for mandarin the spacing will be 1.8 into 1.8. Coming to chemical used to control pre-harvest fruit drop. So for pre-harvest fruit drop, normally we are using NAA, that is naphthalic acetic acid, or in this case we are using 2,4-D. So the answer will be 2,4-D. As you know that, in which case the PMA, that is phenyl mercuric acetate, this chemical is used as anti-transpirant. That is, in drought condition you are using this phenyl mercuric acetate, and this is a stomata closing type. This is a stomata closing type of anti-transpirant. So in this case, if we see IEEE, that is indole acetic acid, this indole acetic acid is normal, or as well as this is an oxine, this is gibberellic acid. These are used as growth promoter. Coming to citrus degreening. So citrus degreening, you are using calcium carbide. This is calcium carbide. Then coming to hybrid variety of mandarin. So mandarin, whose scientific name is Citrus reticulata. Citrus reticulata. So here there are different varieties, but the hybrid variety is Kinno. The hybrid variety is Kinno. As you know that Kinno is the cross between King, we can know another is King Sweet crossed with willow leaf. Okay, so this is the Kinno. Other varieties are Kor, Guladu, Nagpur. These are other variety, but Kinno is the hybrid. Best irrigation method for sweet orange. As you know that all the citrus plants are highly susceptible to waterlow condition. Waterlow condition, all the citrus plants are highly susceptible. So for this you have to go for an appropriate irrigation method. That is, suppose this is the plant, suppose this is the citrus plant. So what we are going for? We are going for double ring method. Double ring means, so this is one ring and this is another ring. Okay, so this is the soil part. So just surrounding the tree root, this will be your soil. Okay, so whatever the irrigation you are applying, so here you are applying the irrigation water. That means, suppose here it is the root and water is, you are applying water just surrounding here in this case. So by means of, we can say seepage, or we can say horizontal movement of water, the root will reach this water or they will uptake it. So there is no waterlogging condition in this case. So double ring method is most important method of irrigation for sweet orange. Then coming to pineapple variety. So pineapple is a variety of this is a variety of sweet orange. As you know that in this case, you can see what is the variety of sweet orange. And the next question, which is not a variety of sweet orange. So out of this, Kino, you know, Kino is the variety of hybrid variety of mandarin. So whatever the rest are there, these are all the variety of sweet orange. Okay. Then coming to citrus aurantifolia. Already we have told it is the scientific name of acid lime or kaxi lime. What is the scientific name of sweet lime? It is the scientific name of Citrus limetoides. Then coming to Rangpur lime or Ranpur lime, which is the rootstock, majorly used for Mosambik, variety of sweet orange rootstock. That is Rangpur lime. So if you know Tahiti lime, the scientific name is Citrus. This is latifolia. If you see Ranpur lime, it is Citrus limonica. Okay. So Citrus aurantifolia is the scientific name of acid lime. So which lime is the indicator plant of Tristeza virus? So what this is Tristeza virus will do? Majorly, this Citrus Tristeza virus. So majorly, it is a viral. That means you are going for, we can see bushy appearance in plant. So if we will see the Citrus Tristeza virus, this Tristeza virus is normally the major indicator plant, means the plant which is highly susceptible. This is the principle. The plant is highly susceptible to this Tristeza virus. The answer will be acid lime or kaxi lime. Okay. And if we see mandarin, the most important question will be, that is the hybrid variety, that is Kino. And this hybrid variety is developed by H.B. Frost in 1935. And if we'll see the sweet orange, the most important is, we can say the here the sweet orange is the most important factor, where Ranpur is the rootstock, grapefruit is the Citrus paradisi. Okay. So then coming to most promising rootstock for acid, already we have told most promising rootstock for acid lime or kaxi lime. So most promising is Gajianima for acid lime. Okay. Then for both are Gajianima as well as rough lemon. These both are rootstock of acid lime, but most promising is Gajianima, then followed by Gajianima, then followed by rough lemon. And as you know, Troyocetrans, it is the rootstock for mandarin. Ranpur lime, it is the for sweet orange. What are the varieties of acid lime? So acid lime, the varieties, all these varieties are acid lime. And as you know that acid lime is highly susceptible to Tristeza virus. Okay. So for this, Sai Sarbati is more tolerant. It is the tolerant variety to Citrus Tristeza. So most tolerant variety is Citrus Tristeza. All these are variety of acid lime. And as you know that in this case, Chakradhara, it is the seedless variety. We have already told the seedless variety is Chakradhara. Then coming to varieties of sweet lime. Sweet lime, mitha chikna and mithotra, both are sweet lime variety. Varieties of lemon. So all lemon varieties, whether it is Eureka, Lisbon, Port Lemon, Lucknow Zilas, all are lemon variety. Coming to which citrus fruit is called as forbidden fruit or basket fruit. This is nothing but the grapefruit, that is Citrus paradisi. Okay, and the varieties, you know that here the varieties of grapefruits are Duncan, Triumph, Thompson, Star Ruby. Okay, and another you can say Mars seedless. Another is Mars seedless. It is also a variety of grapefruit. And you can say Red Bloss. These are all variety of grapefruit. Then coming to citrus canker. So citrus canker, it is nothing but a disease which is due to the Xanthomonas campestris pathovariety citrae. Then coming to what is the disease which is called by the Phytophthora. So this is Phytophthora, you know, it will cause gummosis disease. As you know that mycoplasma, but it was earlier mycoplasma, but now it is the Calyberobacter. Mycoplasma replaced by Calyberobacter. Earlier it was the disease, and the disease is nothing but it is the disease that is most important, citrus greening. So earlier it was told that citrus greening was due to mycoplasma, but very recently it was only due to the Calyberobacter. And as you know, the Toxoptera citree, or we can say Toxoptera auranti. Toxoptera auranti. It is the vector of a virus. Which virus? That is Tristagia virus. So Toxoptera, there is the aphid. This is the aphid. Toxoptera, this is aphid. Aphid Toxoptera auranti. It is the vector of Tristagia virus. And as you know that which one is an indicator of Tristagia virus? It is nothing but the acid lime or Kaxi lime, because it is highly susceptible. Which acid lime is tolerant? That is Sai Sarvati. Sai Sarvati, it is both tolerant to your Tristagia virus as well as to citrus canker. Okay, then coming to granulation of citrus, it is due to high temperature and relative humidity. This is RH, means relative humidity. Okay, if you ripe at the time of ripening, high temperature and relative high relative humidity will be there, then granulation is the major problem. So if we will see the copper deficiency, as you know that the copper deficiency means it will cause dieback. It will cause dieback disease. It will cause exanthema disease, or we can say basically disorder. These are called as disorder. Okay, so dieback हो गया, exanthema or little leaf. These are all due to copper deficiency. Then coming to molybdenum deficiency. This molybdenum deficiency causes yellow color in the leaf. So the yellow leaf is due to molybdenum. Coming to scientific name of lemon butterfly. It is very good question and important to remember. This is Papillodemoleus. Okay. So whenever we are coming to other scientific name, there is Diphorinus citree. It is nothing but the citrus scilla. It is nothing but the citrus scilla. The scientific name is citrus scilla, and this is the vector of citrus greening. This is the vector of citrus greening, and this citrus greening is because of Calyberobacter. Earlier it was due to mycoplasma, but it is citrus greening due to Calyberobacter. Then coming to Phylloxnistis citrella. So it is nothing but the leaf miner. it is the vector of citrus canker, and the citrus canker is due to Xanthomonas, which is a bacterial disease. Xanthomonas campestris pathovariety citrae. Okay, then coming to lemon butterfly, that is papillodemulius. For this, we are going to control this. We are bagging the fruit. Okay, we have to suppose this is the fruit, and you have to cover the fruit so that the papillodemulius cannot affect the fruit part of the citrus. Orthris fullonica, this is nothing but the fruit sucking moth. This is the fruit sucking moth. The adult will suck the juice from the fruits. Then coming to fruit types of citrus, as you know that the fruit type is Hosperdium, and if we will see the edible part will be juicy placental hair. Okay, so if we will say nut, the example will be lychee or cashew nut. These are the fruit type. So if we will see berry will be the banana, that is grape, papaya. These are berry. Drupe or stone, this is nothing but the mango. We can say almond, all are from mango. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the important questions. So thank you very much. So in the next we will cover another horticultural crop. So thank you.